Alright, so my Silverado is kind of looking a bit bleak. I don't know. The plastic is starting to get, like, bleached out from the sun. And I saw something on the internets about using a heat gun to bring back the plastic color. And I thought I'd give that a try. I mean, because this thing was looking pretty grody and, gray. So I figured I'd give it a shot. And how in the heck? Look at this. It freaking works. Can't explain it, but it seems to work. What's that one guy? What the heck? No way! Right? There's that one guy, I forget his name, but it really freaking worked. And I had been using, I forget, it's Mother's or something called Back to Black. And it did work sort of, it might last about a week and then it would wash off. And, you know, it I'd have to use gloves to put it on because it smelled pretty bad. And I mean, it just smelled like wax, but it has that strong smell. And it was a truck, so what do I care? But my 2007 classic Silverado here, just yeah, keeping it nice. Why not? And so this freaking works. Um, this is kind of slowly going along. So I'd say this video is me just setting up a camera. What do you call these? Satisfying videos to watch. Me just setting up a camera and heat gunning my entire bumper. Isn't this fun? I think it's amazing. But now, let me look at that. It actually freaking works. So I guess what it does is it remelts the plastic. Maybe. But it really wasn't damaging it. I mean, if you held it in one space, it would melt. But I kind of got this thing going where I kind of move it around in circles and work my way down. And it hears me going, no way, what the f? But it worked really cool. Look at that, amazing. So made this video. It's a satisfying video of me restoring my bumper. Oh,
I send this picture to work. The guys will never believe this.
but as you can see, it wasn't melting. It was just turning it black again. Oh, what the heck? I don't know. But anyway, so for the rest of this video, I've speeded it up ×2. Because who wants to watch a half hour of this? You know what I mean? This literally took me a half hour. To do the whole bumper. Not too bad, right? And because I've sped this up, this video will be done in 11 minutes. Bum, bum, bum. But yeah, this is really good. This is just so just like sit back, relax, and watch the restoration of this plastic bumper.
In my day, we made them bumpers were made out of chrome and not that plastic. And, we didn't have to worry about the the chrome discoloring because, we just used an SOS pad on it and it would be fine. And plastic bumpers, I don't know what the heck you guys do with these plastic, ain't like what they used to build them up as.
Oh, this is amazing.
Are you having a yard sale? You guys got any Civil War memorabilia or crafting tools?
No, I'm working on my truck. I don't have a yard sale.
Do you know anybody that's selling any Civil War memorabilia or crafting tools?
No, sorry, I don't. Maybe down the street.
Alright, I'll ask down the street.
What are you working on now? You're always working on that dang truck. How the heck is that thing even burn anymore? You're always working on that truck. What are you fixing now?
I'm just working on my bumper.
What are you doing to your bumper? Is it falling off?
No, I'm just making it black again with this heat gun thing.
I never heard of something crazy like that. Why don't you just wax it or something?
Well, you know, the heat gun's doing a better job at it.
It gotta work on my van. It's getting kind of scratched up from, for him to hit it with a buggy the other day at the shop and save. And I said, I don't know, it's my van with a buggy. But I tell you, I'm pretty damn angry about it.
Oh, yeah? I was wondering what that big dent was.
I think I just hit it with a buggy. You think Daddy's gonna take that dent out?
Nah, I don't think that'll work on that.
Alright. Come over here, I got some cookies I made.
Alright, let me finish this up first.
Alright, he's always working on that truck. I don't know what's wrong with him.
Hey! Hey, think we are done with that? You can work on my car next. I was over there working on your cars.
I'm just working on my truck, trying to, you know, make it look nice.
I don't know why you bother. It just goes a bit dirty again. I was over there fixing on things. I got, I was at, the other day, I was down the street and I ran over a nail. Can you believe that? Can you fix tires if you got the nail on it?
No, I don't think I can fix tires. Kind of sucks though. You go down to Amherst Wholesale or something. So, anyways, we got the big reveal coming up here. Oh, look at that! Isn't that amazing? What a freaking difference from the right to the left. And hey, let's start working on the rest of this car if my neighbors don't keep disturbing me.
Yeah, they put a patch, what was that, rubber patch in it. And they said it was going to work, and it did. And it cost me $20 though, but, they fixed it. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I don't want to work on So I don't want to work on my tire. I got a rust spot too. Maybe I'll look at that rust spot. What are you doing anyway?
I'm just using a heat gun to make my, bumper look nice again.
Alright. You need to get a tire and the hotel down there. Pretty good job.
Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, Genevieve, what's going on? What do you think of this new project I'm doing? Doesn't that look cool? Look how, like, when I use the heat gun, it turns the bumper black. You see that?
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah.
I'm doing the other half of it. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
The truck looked crummy before. Now it looks less crummy.
Mhm.
What do you think of it?
Looks better now.
Yeah. Why, thank you. There you heard it. She says it looks better.
Do you understand? Look in yourself later on and see if the truck that damn truck. It's gone. Just what?
Ready to say something. Shut the door. Like I said, folks do something when I'm around and I'm painting. If I want to do my work, I got to do my work.
No, you're working on Saturday. Not my fault.
Whatever. I'll see you later, Janet.
Oh, sounds like a wild domestic over there. But anyways, doesn't this look great? And, we're just about finishing up here soon, I would imagine. I don't know how much longer we got to go, but, looks like we're finishing up. I did that one corner on the driver's side a little bit earlier, and I decided to, just record it. This is another video of me just kind of like recording me fixing stuff around the house. I normally, I'm always like fixing and working on things, and normally I don't film it, but I figure maybe I'll just kind of throw some of these up, just me working on my cars or whatever. But the last one I just tilled the garden for 10-15 minutes. If you like these videos, hit the like button, and yeah, maybe I'll do a few more. You know, just kind of me tinkering around the house. I set up the GoPro, and I was like, you know, why not? It was like one of them satisfying videos. Kind of watching a job well done. But you know, this is just an old 2007 Silverado. You know, I did smash some computers with it, change the radio. I think it's the last video. Squish some pumpkins. But, you know, it's the last of the Vortex, so it's pretty reliable. Anyways, as you can see here, look at the amazing results. It's almost like I put Armor All on it. And as far as lasting, it's been a couple weeks now since I've done this, and it has yet to fade. I think I will put the Armor All on it, you know, to start protecting it again. And if you like this video, hit like, and heck, maybe I'll do more of these boring things. Maybe it wasn't too boring, but have a great day, and please subscribe.